Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Auliya Nurissilmi Kaaffah from 12 Science 7, and now I want to show you how to make an object with a crayon brush effect in Photoshop CS6. First, open your Photoshop application. Next, click File and choose New. Adjust the size of the file that you want to make and click OK. After the patchwork show up, add a new layer for the base layer. Choose any brush that you like, and also you can change the size of the brush and make sure that you have a full opacity because it is for the base layer. Then choose a color that you like from the color picker tool. I'm using purple because it is my favorite color. And make some shape that you want. After that, make a new layer above the base layer that you already made and right-click at the layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Next, choose a brush number 66 and lower the opacity and also larger the size of the brush. Choose a darker or brighter color for the object. Next, color the object however you desire, as much as you want. It's really up to you. For this, I'm using my mouse because I don't have any pen tip, so I'm just clicking it like this. You can also change the color while you're working on it. And last, after you're done coloring your object, don't forget to save the file by click File at the top left corner of the panels and click Save As. And save the file wherever you want and rename the file. And you're done! Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye!